How to fix microphone not working on Slack. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the App Store. In the search bar, search for Slack. Move into this app right here. Now, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Once you have got the updated version, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device and then move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In the space, search for the application Slack and then move into it. Now, click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will create a cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you will be good to go. So, that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.